ham, egg, cheese, chicken sandwich. For breakfast. Or for food anytime when we are hungry. First of all, crack an egg into a bowl. Season the eggs with salt and fresh milk. Use a fork to beat the eggs and other ingredients until well blended. Heat the cooking oil. Using medium heat, pour in the beaten egg mixture and fry them until golden brown on both sides. Prepare the bread. Today I use whole wheat bread. Spread mayonnaise over 2 slices of bread. Place egg, cheese, onions, ketchup, mayonnaise, ham, egg, and cover with remaining of bread to make a sandwich. Slice the sandwich into triangles or squares as you like and you are done. Enjoy!